And viewers, we have some breaking news coming in. The players of the Pakistan hockey team were forced to spend several hours on the road upon reaching the Australian capital as their hotel booking were cancelled. After the Pakistan Hockey Federation failed to pay the bill due to a lack of funds, they are in Australia for the second leg of the FIH Pro League event in Hobart. The incident has been seen as a major source of embarrassment for Pakistan's national sport, with the team struggling to compete against top-ranked sides like Australia and Germany in the leg of the Pro League. Pakistan have so far lost all 6 of their matches in the Pro League. The Pakistan players have exposed the Pakistani government. They have been stranded for over 13 hours on the roads as their hotel booking was cancelled for non-payment of the bill. And this incident has been as a major source of embarrassment coming in for Pakistan's national sport.
तकरीबन 1-2 दिन हम सड़कों पे रहे हैं, जिस तरह के पता नहीं हमारे साथ सुतेली जो सी माँ अपने बच्चे के साथ बर्ताव करती है उस तरह हमारे साथ बर्ताव किया गया है। और जहाँ तक बात है डेली अलाउंसेस की, उसके अंदर मैं ऐड कर दूँ कि 2023 के अंदर हमारे इस टीम के अंदर 9 से 10 प्लेयर हैं जो 2023 के अंदर पाकिस्तान टीम में थे। उनके 5 से 6 टूर्स के डेली आज भी पेंडिंग है, जो कि 30 से 40 लाख रुपए बनता है। वो तमाम जो उनकी डेली अलाउंसेस हम भूल के पाकिस्तान हॉकी फेडरेशन के साथ 2024 से हमने काम करना शुरू किया। 2023 के अंदर मैं आपको इवेंट्स गिना सकता हूँ: एशियन चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इंडिया, एशियन गेम्स, 5 साइड एशिया कप, जोहर बारू और जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप। ये 5 इवेंट्स हैं जिसके डोमेस्टिक डेलीज भी और इंटरनेशनल डेलीज भी पाकिस्तान हॉकी फेडरेशन ने प्लेयर्स को देनी है, जिसके अंदर हमारे जो से इस टाइम टॉप प्लेयर्स हैं वो भी पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके थे।
My colleague Hina is joining us live from the newsroom. Hina, this incident has been as a major source of embarrassment coming in for Pakistan's national sport, with the team now struggling to even compete against the top-ranked sides as they have been stranded on the road for more than 13 hours, given the hotel booking has been cancelled. What are the other updates coming in?
Absolutely, this is another joke that has happened in Pakistan, where we can see how the Pakistani hockey players, when they landed in Sydney, there was no arrangement of any sort of hotel and living accommodation for the Pakistani players. Now they were heading to Canberra in Australia, where the FIH Pro League was scheduled to take place. But when they arrived in Sydney, they had to stay there for a while, but there was no hotel arrangement whatsoever that was made. And that is why the Pakistani players had to stay there for 13 long hours. Now, what has really happened is that the captain of the Pakistani hockey team has come out and lashed out at the Pakistani Hockey Federation, PHF. Now, PHF has done this mismanagement, but what is now happening is that the Pakistani Sports Board is saying, is lashing back at Federation, questioning the Federation that why the money that was given was not used. So basically, the Pakistani players are lashing out at the Federation, saying why no proper arrangements were made. Now, also to note here is that Pakistani players had to use the kitchen and to clean their own utensils as well before the match, which was scheduled against Australia and Germany, the top teams in the Hockey Pro League FIH that was taking place. So a mockery of the Pakistani players at the global stage, remember, comes right after how Pakistani players were defeated by India in one of the T20 matches that took place on 15th of February. So back-to-back embarrassment for Pakistan. Now remember that Pakistan is a country which is short of finances, is a bankrupt country, does not have any sort of arrangement for these players, Pakistani players, that they sent to Australia to play at the global stage. So this is a big embarrassment of the Pakistani players that we are seeing at the Sydney airport. When they landed, there was no accommodation, there was no facility for these players, and they were absolutely left on their own. And of course, a very harsh statement coming out from the Pakistani hockey team captain as well, who is lashing at the federation, questioning why no proper arrangements were made. So a big embarrassment for the Pakistani players. Back to you.
That's right. Hina, thank you for joining